Ay, nako. Gusto niya yan. Konti lang.
Yan nga.
Ang dami. Okay.
Oh, kita mo?
Oh my
Sabi ko
gosh.
sa'yo na.
She likes it.
Naamoy lang niya.
Egg with sardines.
See?
She likes it.
Yung fish yan. Sardines, fish. Sarap.
Sarap talaga.
No more rice, only that.
Yeah. No rice diet. Yummy.
Wow.
Wow, talaga naman.
Kaya
Madam
naiingit
Snow.
sa'yo si, ano,
Sige.
Queenie eh. Pasok ka ng pasok dito, kain ka pa.
Madam Snow.
Kaya kinakagat ka. Loko si Queenie eh.
Sige.
Wow. Wow. Sarap.
Sarap.
No.
Wow.
Galing.
Busog ka
Ba't
na.
naman?
Meron pa.
Ano gusto niya?
Busog na.
Ano ko ito, anuhin ko ng deworming. Para lalong guwanda. Matatapos na yung si Queenie Keke.
Are you
You like
full?
water, baby boy, big girl?
Yeah.
You like water?
Sige, you eat na.
Water siguro. Hinahanap niya.
Are you full? Oh. Water, you like water? Yeah.
You like water? May pispili. Give it to her. Kaya lang, kunin mo na ito. Ikasti mo.
Konti lang. Pinakain. But fish fillet.
Lumalayo yung kainan niya.
Try that. Yummy. Wow.
Ano? Pispili. Kinain niya.
Kinain niya. Fish fillet.
Iba-ibang klase ito ha. Mga pagkain niya ito.
Oh, wow.
Sarap na sarap. Nabubusog na.
Sige.
Nabubusog ka na yung kasama mo dyan at naiingit na. Mamaya kakagating ka na naman.
Drink water.
Ay naku. Diyos ko, tigdahan na natin sila. Para nakakain na din.
Yummy. Wow. Is it yummy? Yummy.
Nice to
This
eat.
one. Wow. Ay. No, baby. Yummy talaga eh. Sarap talaga eh. This one.
Nakatingin dito. Nakatingin dito. Benda si Queen.
Queenie. Yummy. Oh, you eat this one. Eat it. Come on. Eat it. Snow. Eat. Come on. Snow. Eat. Eat this. Are you full? Oh, sorry. Hi. And that's my food vlog for today. Say bye to the viewers. Bye. I ate fish fillet and egg with sardines. Bye, guys. See you on my next food vlog.